Wagwan sports fans, welcome back to another very special episode. I'm your host Jomar.
I'm Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions, and debates on the internet.
Yes, people, before we get into this one, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to This or That Sports TV. We really appreciate it. You want to give them much, bro?
Yeah, bro. If each one of the people watching right now can get us 5 subscribers, do you know how many subscribers that will get us by the end of the day?
Right. As a people, you know the video that you clicked on. You know what time it is, bro. Fantasy Premier League time.
But first and foremost, people, if we insist that we're not really in the studio and a bit of background noise, we apologize. Due to some technical difficulties, we had to relocate for a second. But because we needed to get the content out to you guys, we do what we have to do, right?
So we keep working. The work must go on. All right, bro. So Fantasy Premier League time. And obviously, people know the features of the show. We'll have the manager of the week. We're going to discuss our teams. Some shortcomings and some overperformance in some places. Yeah. So let's talk about it. But bro, normally we introduce the manager of the week later in the show. I feel like we want him for the whole duration of the show. Yeah. He's available and he want to talk to it. And it was a really good performance. So let's intro him real quick.
Yeah, man. Good day, everyone. Good day, Zine.
Yeah, so Tijani, we're not gonna try to pronounce the team name, so you have to tell them, bro.
Yeah, man, it's Tika Joe United. Zine, One Man United, Tika Joe United.
Tika Joe United. Explain the name there for me, because my team name, what? D Rush FC. Yeah. My name Rush. Explain your team name, okay?
So the name come from my name and my daughter name is Zine. So we're just trying it together and get a United. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Yeah. So we're gonna put the fantasy same speed and then we discuss it, isn't it?
And bro, to note, this week had basically 2 game weeks, right? So there were 2 managers of the week. The manager of the week for the first part of the week, and then the manager of the week for the second part of the week.
Hey, bro, let's give him a shout out.
Yeah, we're gonna shout him out. He wasn't able to be here, but we're gonna shout him out for him because a very outstanding performance for week 4.
Yeah, he wanted to, but unfortunately he couldn't make it. Real quick, Citizens FC.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Let me pull it up.
You go up on the week 4 performance.
Yeah. All right.
So like when I'm not here, we'll just pull up in performance real quick and talk about it for a second. So like how we have Tijani here and he was week 5 manager of the week. We're going to place a great emphasis on week 5. Mm-hmm. But like how we're going to talk about Citizens FC right now, we can just talk about what was going through our heads in week 4 while they're looking fine. Week 4 was an underwhelming week. I went with 2 Arsenal defenders, and of course with my clean sheet also.
Yeah.
And it burned me so bad because I could have go with I think I did drop Andreas, right? And have 2 or they drop Andreas and have two Arsenal defenders on the bench, which was Saliba and Zinchenko. And
Zinchenko didn't play, so you got the points for Nico Williams. Which never really made much sense. You got 1 point instead of 0. And every point counts in fantasy.
Yeah, but it was very frustrating, because I thought that Arsenal had the clean sheet in the bag for certain, bro. But anyways, we could see how
Citizens FC, Dashan Donaldson.
Yeah.
He wanted to be here, couldn't make it, but we still have to give team a shout out. 95 points.
Yeah.
That's a lot of points in any fantasy league, bro.
I will break it down for a quick second.
We'll talk about it, sir. Ramsdale in goal.
Mm-hmm.
Kyle Walker at the back. Van Dijk at the back with 12 points and good performance. Robertson, Reece James, Saka, Diaz, Trossard, Gundogan, Jesus, and HAALAND, bro.
Isn't it weird though? On a week, Liverpool scoring 9 goals. He doesn't have
without Salah, right?
managing to score
crazy.
95 points.
Yeah, that's a weird one. Why? TJ, what do you think about this squad?
Let me see what's going on there. Well, it's a great squad, to be honest. I mean, Van Dijk and Robertson, not really in my side. I had Robertson, but I had to sell him. I mean, Liverpool moving like it's their trainer. I mean, Kyle Walker. Kyle Walker. I mean, the lads, I think it's the first match I didn't see him start, so I didn't even purchase him. So you know what I mean. But it's a good buy. He started in the last match and he gained 6 points. I mean, James. An excellent buy, trust me, but
so in a week 4, did you? Who are the captain in a week 4?
Week 4, Salah.
Yeah, that
I was so disappointed, bro.
I don't understand You know what? Will we ever see this again? Liverpool score 9 goals,
goals.
on the field, and don't even get an assist. Will we ever see that again?
Exactly, bro.
But it
I
had
didn't
to
even get to watch the match, man.
Yeah, because all of we captain him, and the thing about it, is me. I was going to captain Haaland. I'm gonna talk to the man, and the man tell me say boring most, and I say, I have my captain for Haaland all the way up to the end of the weekend.
It was good advice. And if Liverpool was to play Bournemouth again next week, with captain Salah.
Not if Haaland play. Not if Haaland.
Crystal Palace.
Not if Haaland play Palace.
No, all right. Let's go into this week then.
Yeah, so that was the week. We won't hurry up and forget about that week because we never do good. with Captain Salah, both of us had Haaland on our team.
Yeah.
And we just saw Haaland banging the goals, and it was very frustrating.
All right, so this week we're going to talk about your team and my team, and then we'll go to the manager.
All right.
Yeah, man.
First and foremost, I was this close to making the manager of the week.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, I was sure I was the manager of the week. I was looking at Rush and I was like, I guess, when I have to bring up the guess, because we don't secure the manager of the week, and now hype and you might get pumped. Well, 3 points. And somebody else got 88 because of a substitution.
What's it like with week? 86.
Yeah, so bro. Obviously, as soon as the week ended, Zinchenko didn't play. I decided that I was not going to have two Arsenal defenders, considering that Odegaard was on such intense form. So what I went ahead and I did was I sold Zinchenko and got Ferguson for 3.9. You never play, and I brought in Odegaard and I brought in Odegaard, and who else did I sell? I don't remember. It don't matter. But let's just say I brought in Odegaard. I had Martinelli and a captain Haaland, which was obviously, if you never captain Haaland this week, you're in trouble.
Big loss.
So with the three defenders, bro, and I had KDB, Salah, Odegaard, Martinelli, and Andreas. I thought that would have been a really good midfield. Obviously, Mitrovic, guys, I've been telling you guys about Mitrovic from the beginning of the season.
Mitrovic now let you know.
I sold Gabriel to get Mitrovic. I sold Gabriel so I could get a deeper squad and got Mitrovic, and it's been paying off for me ever since. Very disappointed though with KDB, but not even with KDB, with Pep Guardiola.
Bro, Man City is the worst fantasy team. Like you want to have 3 Man City players because you know they're going to win majority of their games, but to have even this week coming up, bro. A lot of people say, Haaland might not start.
Yeah, I don't think Haaland will start. That's why I'm not captaining Haaland this week.
Against
Villa, I'm not captaining Haaland. I'm captaining Salah because I just don't think Haaland will start. So that was my team. That was kind of what's going through my head.
I'm going through my team.
Talk to us about your team.
All right, here we go.
All the way back down in 12,
Don't worry about it. 68 points. Decent week. It wasn't great. It wasn't good. It was just a decent week. 68 points.
First Rush. What the hell is going on with that jersey, bro? Purple and green?
I don't know what that was.
That's disgusting.
Purple, green, white. I don't know. Quick one. Bro, Alisson just keeps letting me down. Alexander-Arnold, 1 week and then let me down again. Arsenal, I don't know what is going on. We just concede some weird goals.
We're conceding some goals that should not be conceded.
Exactly.
Although for this week, I'm going to blame officiating.
Yeah.
Did you see the corner score for me, bro?
Well, you know what I mean? I was working, so I didn't get to watch the match.
Them score a corner.
But it's just a phase you're going through, right, Joe Man? You guys going through a phase. You guys finishing like 6 or 7. Right? Bro.
The Premier League battle super. Alright, so I went to Kyle Walker.
Yeah.
Steady performance, 6 points. Louis. So what I did in my midfield, I was so mad at Mohamed Salah. 9 goals, not even an assist. I say, I sell him. I sell him before the game week was done. I sell Mohamed Salah, I'm going to say, here, but I'm not going to come and do the match. So I'm going to explain it to him. I sell Mohamed Salah. I went for Raheem Sterling and Luis Diaz.
Yeah.
Not bad at all. No, I sold Salah and Jensen from Brentford.
Yeah.
No, I checked out. Jensen got 2 points last week. Salah got 10 points, which would have been 12 points between them. Sterling got 8, Diaz got 2, so that's 10 points between them. I would have gotten 2 more points. I would have gotten 70 points this week. So I'm not mad. I'm not mad at it. It's just 2 points. So I took a gamble. It didn't quite work out, but I wasn't far off. Phil Foden, steady performance, peps up the money in the 56th minute. I don't understand it. Just when the man play up 60 minutes, I know we have 6 more points. That would have been what? 72 points. Easy. Kulusevski, not mad at it. Probably sell him still. I look for getting a transfer. Look for a Zaha or somebody.
As I said, TJ, me, now I have no Man U man and no Tottenham man from the team. I don't care. It's because him sell out, him weak thing. That's why Cooler
You know.
never give him nothing.
No, but watch this now. No?
At the moment they start dollar get 0 points.
Watch it now.
Joe man,
Yo,
probably if you had 2 Man U defenders, you'd have gotten the manager of the week.
But look at my bench. Don't give me no. I try to be an Arsenal fan. I say, yo, I never believe in my money.
Yeah.
I never do it. So I have Jesus, Haaland, and Edward to run up full time. But then me have Dallo on the bench. Dallo get 8 points in back-to-back weeks. Last game week 4, 8 points. 8 points. Game week 5, 8 points. Both of the times he's on my bench.
Start him
next week.
Start him now.
Against Arsenal.
I got 6 soon. Alright them.
One say uno. So me have Man U for
Right.
Man on your bench.
The winning streak I got in now, man. No worries.
All right, digit time.
We could see what teacher do.
All right.
You have to go far to find them money on the
Liar.
Bro.
There's a Man U fan, so as Man U start getting little, him start getting
No,
little
we
points.
feel like I'm passing. We can't be this far. All right.
I think it's about 18, man.
18?
Yeah.
No, man, that can't look good, man. 18?
Yeah, I mean, now I just start to focus on this thing, trust me, man. You know the thing over here.
All right, 17. Yeah, 1
17.
point. 91 points. Great. That's an awesome week.
Yeah.
All right. So let's start.
Awesome, man.
How to screw the squad, bro? Explain to us. What were you thinking when you selected these players?
Well, this squad, when I selected Mendy, last year, I selected Mendy in the first start, when I started. So, last year, that Chelsea had had a solid defense, and he could hardly score on them. So, I had him from last year, and he usually give me my 6 points. Don't know what happened. No planning on selling him, but I don't know who to get as it. But nevertheless, I kept him this week, and I got a 2 points from him. Cancelo, that man has been performing like from the last 2 Fantasy Premier League. Yeah. Exactly, bro.
Fantasy, yeah, but straight.
Exactly, bro. This man been a perform, and there's no way you can left Cancelo to your side. And like for Robertson now, think Liverpool will come solid, but they're just a strain, as I said before. So planning on selling Robertson as well. Get rid of these defenders. Every week Robertson give me 2 points. It makes no sense, right? So Varane, I had Maguire last week.
What?
I realized no, as a loyal Man U fan,
No, brother.
As a loyal Man U fan, well, I had limited funds remaining. So Maguire is the only defender I could purchase that I know are a guarantee a start from, which would give me a 2 points because I had another defender, but he wasn't starting, so I usually got 0 points for him. So I said I'd just sell him, get Maguire. Realize that Maguire is not starting either, so I get 0 points. And then I sell Maguire and realize I could purchase Varane and realize that Varane is playing great so far, Like each time they defended a goal, it's like they score a goal, the way they celebrate, and that's the team spirit of Man U. Murphy, I don't even remember how I got Murphy. I think I just I need a player, and So what I did is that I just pick my starting 11 and just pick some players after. Salah was the first purchase I made, and he gave me some points. Haven't really disappointed me that much so far because he gave me some points in I think week 3 or 2 one of those days, and Podence, I just purchased him last week. Thought he would have, do what he's supposed to do, but nah. Rashford, Sancho, Manu once more again, and I have faith in my side,
Faith in
One Manchester United, faith in my side, even though we lost the first 2 matches. Taking some time to chill.
Run out your team and then I'm going to tell you a story. Hopefully this advice will help you. Run out your forward line.
Okay, no, man. And then Alan, I didn't purchase Alan. I was actually laughing at my friend, when he purchased Salah, because in the first game I didn't think he got any points or even touched the ball to that extent. Then last week I realized that he scored 3 goals and you know what I mean, and I didn't captain him. I was so upset, bro. But I then purchased him and Jesus, I purchased him from the start.
Jesus,
So, you know what I mean?
Jesus,
Gabriel, Jesus.
Yeah, no disrespect to player like
Jesus.
that.
What you talking about, man?
Jesus.
Bro,
Who that?
that man, well, he's justice for me, you know what I mean? If he was at Man U, then he would have been Jesus. But let me just go ahead. Yeah, I have him from the start because I believed in him, and you know what I mean? He's an Arsenal player, and Arsenal forwards normally score goals like from a Boomerang time and from when the other guy was there. He left now. I didn't even remember his name, but yeah, I mean, so that was just my team for the week, bro. And I've been scoring like over probably 60 each week with this team. So you know what I mean? But as it progresses, you have to make changes and everything. But that's it for my team, and you know what I mean? And it's a pleasure beating everyone in this elite team. You know what I mean? Beating all the Arsenal fans for this week. Joe Mar. Yeah, man.
No, man, let's see what you do this week when Jesus is playing Manchester United and you have 3 Manchester United players.
And him have Manchester United defenders.
No, quick advice, bro. Let me tell you a story. Right? I'm an Arsenal fan. My favorite player of all time is Mesut Ozil, right?
Mm-hmm.
In 2018, I had a private group of about 40 players in my mini league. I was leading the league for maybe the last 5 months of the season. I was at number 1. Mesut Ozil is not playing in Arsenal's team. And at that time, Mesut Ozil is like an 8.5.
Yeah.
You see me? I'm in another team. And I said, no, man, nah, I'm going to bench him. Nah, take him out. I'm a favorite player. Emotion. 3 Arsenal players same way. You see me? For me, I'm the whole 9 years. Them time the Emery bench Ozil like nothing straight. But if after they have a team with him 8.5. And on the last day of the season, first and second, shot me, bro. And the last day of the season, just because I had Ozil in my team. From that, I saw fantasy different from Premier League.
Bro.
From that,
fantasy different from Premier League, but your kind of loyalty was different. Ozil not stop. Ozil, you realize
bro,
Ozil is on the bench for quite some time. Huh?
As me said, TJ, you see, because I'm a real OG gunner.
Yeah.
An Arsenal fan from some people that even know what Arsenal was. I will not be using any Tottenham or any Manchester United players. And look how I'm going to beat all of them. We are sell out.
Bro, but you know we got Arsenal ticket, bro. So just watch out Sunday, no problem. Trust me.
You want gamble?
Trust me.
You want gamble?
Bro, anything you're on, man. Come on, anything.
You want to put a bills on it?
Anything, man. Trust me. Remember this, a bills. Just make sure you have your bills. Make sure you have your bills, dog.
We're going to make it better. Never come back to it. When the beauty of a love talk about gambling, all right? We're going to come back to it. So who do you think was the stealer this week?
All right, the steal of the week. Make TJ answer first, seeing as the guest. Who do you think was like the steal of the week, TJ? The surprise player of the week?
The surprise player of the week? Fantasy. Well,
yeah, 10 points from McAllister, 10 from Suchek. John Stones with 10.
Sinistra.
Yeah, Sinistra with 10 points. Alvarez with 12 points.
Well, for me, I think it's the Alvarez guy.
Yeah. I don't think many people had him.
Yeah, and you wouldn't
expect. I didn't have him. Yeah. It was Alvarez guy, man. Trust me.
Yeah.
And obviously the player of the week, I think. Everybody knows for sure. If you're not Captain Alan,
all right, I agree. The player of the week is Alvarez. And who's the flop of the week?
No, the steal of the week.
The steal of the week is Alvarez. Player of the week. And who's the flop of the week?
Flop of the week. Bridget, after a Liverpool player. After Robertson, one of them. They keep conceding goals. After a Liverpool.
They have a Trent.
No, I just
Trent.
Yeah. That Trent is expensive. Trent is the most expensive defender in the game. And he's just every week.
I want to flop Salah all the week, man.
Oh, Salah!
Yeah, he gave us 10 points, man. But come on, man. Expected more from Salah. Come on.
Yeah, man. By far, Salah have to be the flop of the week.
Liverpool for me, brother. I expected they are not playing at their best, so you know what I mean. I expected goals to score at them, but I'm expecting Salah to score goals, bro.
At least, even if goals.
At least score a goal. This brother haven't scored a goal in the last 2 matches, bro, and then Liverpool scored like 11 goals, and you're not scoring none as a striker, bro.
Weird. Did you tell you, If even not perform this weekend and score a trick
Yeah.
this weekend, we don't have
We
a
have to sell
replacement.
him, man. We have to sell him, man.
Oh, that go, you know. Pull the plug time. But watch out, make it a bet real quick and then make a run it up.
Brethren, man, what got
Make
about
it a bet
gambling, brethren?
Hey, my running up.
The boy have Jesus for himself. Jesus.
All right, bro, give him a match and make it roll it up.
So people, once again, another banging fantasy video. You know, big up to TJ, manager of the week. Big up to Sav, manager of the week. You know, this might be the last time we see TJ people. So enjoy the face because I don't think he's going to be coming back. You get me? I said, because after this, after this, because
You
we
hear
keep on
the
with Manu
disrespect.
players, he's not come back. Yeah.
You hear the disrespect. Okay, no
If
problem.
they keep on with the Manu players, they're not going to come back, teacher. I just said the badness come down. But anyways, people, I can always say, if each one of you guys can get us 5 subscribers, you know how many subscribers that will get us? So just do the math for people.
All right.
But anyways.
Don't forget, before we leave them, bro, like, comment, share, subscribe, and this is That Sports TV.
Well,
Bang.
yeah.